All right, folks, a quick review today on Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys, one of my favorite soaps. I actually buy this stuff by the gallon and use it extensively. Not only do I use it to wash cars, I use it in a foaming bottle like we have here on the right, and I also use it to pour into the bucket for washing. But I also use this too for lawn furniture, siding on houses actually, where I use a car wash foamer like here on the right. All sorts of stuff that I use this for, fences, you name it. So I use it for a variety of things. It works very well. I find it doesn't mess up surfaces or anything like that. Just seems to be a real pleasant, mild soap that's not a pain, basically, to use. So anyways, folks, we'll show you real quick today how I use it, how I wash a car with it, and then we'll wrap it up at the end with our final thoughts. All right, folks, so we've got our Chemical Guys Mr. Pink here, and we went ahead and put it in a car wash foamer bottle. So usually what I do is I give the car a good rinse first, and then I come back and I hit it with the foamer bottle, cover the whole thing with foam, let it kind of rest for a minute or two, come back and spray it off, and then hopefully get a lot of the dirt off that way. And then I'll come back, I'll hit it again one more time, and then this time I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my microfiber mop and give it a good car wash all over the vehicle. All right, folks, so another successful car wash completed, all thanks to Mr. Pink here from Chemical Guys. One of my favorite car wash soaps, just does a wonderful job, and always enjoy using it. The foaming action works pretty good, and then also too, just even using it in the car wash bucket with the water does a great job as well. So super happy with it. So folks, definitely check this out. You can get it in the gallon size, and they also have smaller sizes as well if you just want to try it out. So go ahead and give it a go, see what you think.